Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. This is Nisha. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you about your mind. Means how does mind work? Okay, I will talk about on this topic. But before talking about topic, I would like to request you guys, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon bottom so that you can get my videos notification. And another thing guys, please guys, if I make any mistake while speaking English, so please forgive me because of I'm also learning this language right now. So come to the point, how does mind work? How you can convince your mind and speak fluently. Okay, so first things, I'm just talking about related to your mind. Whenever you want to speak English, you want to speak but you are stuck because of you forget everything. Okay, you forget your topic, your mind goes blank on that moment. So why it happens? So I'm going to tell you in this video, it connected your mind. So that's the reason I chose this topic. First thing guys, you have to know power of your mind. Your mind is very sharp. If you want to do something, if you want to achieve something, you can achieve actually. But before achieving anything, you will have to believe in yourself that you can do this thing, you can achieve this thing, you can speak English. Means believing is very important. Believing is significant to learn anything. Okay? If you start believing in yourself, I can speak English. So definitely you will speak English. But it is not enough here. You have to convince your mind. Okay? You will have to take a small step to understand your mind. Just imagine you have a power to think your past. But how do you think? Because of you have a mind. Your mind recall everything. Your past related and your mind also think about your future and present. Okay, so we have a power of mind. Okay, you have a power. You should use your power to achieve anything. I'm not talking about law of attraction. I'm just talking about your mind working. I told you first things, you have to believe in yourself. You have to convince your mind you can speak English. Okay? But that is not enough here. Second step, you will have to set your small step. Let me give an example. You can see today I have only 126 subscriber on my channel. I'm talking about this channel, okay? I have only 126 subscriber on this channel. But I set my small step. My first step was achieving 100 subscriber, okay? And then 1,000 and then lakh and then million. I'm just thinking about this. I sit in my mind like this. I set small step to achieving my destination. So as it, if you want to become a good speaker in English, so you have to set your small steps related English. Means today you will speak 10 minutes. Tomorrow you will speak 15 minutes. Okay, means day by day you will improve and set small steps. Okay, after few days you will see that you have put so many information into your mind, and then your mind start working automatically. When you try to speak English, your brain automatic working here, and then you will speak here. Okay, you can learn anything using your brain. Okay, so understand your brain power. That is extremely significant. Believe in yourself, you can speak. You have a power. You just imagine. You can speak fluently. And second, set your small step and enjoy. Put information related to your English, related to your work, which you want to do, which you want to achieve. First of all, believe in yourself, and second, set small step. Okay? And after then, put information related to your work, related to your English. Do 10 minutes practice in a day. Tomorrow you will do practice at least 20 minutes. Day by day, you will be putting information here. It's full, then you will see good result. Okay? Information is extremely significant. Whatever you want to achieve, you will have to be active related to your work, related English. Okay, that is extremely important, and you will have to do this thing. If you want to be speak English, so you have to practice. You will have to be active related to your English, how it work, and putting information here, then you will able to speak English because of your brain. When your subconscious mind accept, but you will have to do these things actually daily. You will have to be practice daily. Okay, and then your mind accept. Actually your subconscious mind accept. When your subconscious mind accept your information which you putting every day, then you will speak fluently, then you will achieve any your goal which you want to achieve. So that is a very important. Please use your mind, use your brain to speak English, to achieve your goal. Take your destination. First, believe in yourself. Second, set small step and practice every day. Take information related to your work, related English, whatever you want to achieve, to be active and learn every day, practice every day. That is extremely important. Okay, and then when your brain is full, then you will see good result. Okay, so please do these things. It is very useful if you do. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please guys share this video more, as much as you can share, and please share this video at least your 2-3 friends. They can also learn English and speak. Okay, so guys, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon bottom so that you can get videos notification whenever I upload on my channel. So thank you so much for watching this video guys.